Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful blowout curls using the new accessory I just purchased with my Shark FlexStyle. I originally purchased that. I have a video of unboxing it. I also have a video on using auto wrap curlers, the 1.25 on fine thin hair. And I recently purchased the 0.95, so it's like an inch barrel auto wrap curler accessory. So you can get these separate. I bought these on Amazon. You can also get them on the Shark website. So it's a smaller barrel for like fine thin hair people like me, or if you don't have super long hair, maybe you have shorter hair and the bigger barrels don't really work for your hair. I wanted to test this guy out. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below so you can stay up to date when I post next. I do all things beauty and I generally upload 1 to 2 videos per week. I'm gonna see how we get this beautiful blowout and test out the 0.95 auto wrap curler. Just keep watching. Okay guys, so I got this off Amazon. Here is the box it comes in. Very interesting because it's very different than when you get the Shark FlexStyle kit. Let me show you that. Here's the box the FlexStyle comes in. I still didn't get a case for my FlexStyle, which I want to do, but it's very different. But that's okay, you know? I'm just pointing out the packaging difference. So it's just like a very white standard box. This is the Shark FlexStyle Air Styling and Drying System, the Auto Wrap Curlers. This is the smaller size. This is the 0.95, so about an inch barrel compared to, this is the original ones. I think it's a 1.25 barrel. So let's see what this looks like. Very interesting box. There's nothing else in there. These were just on the top like that. Very interesting. I feel like that's very wasteful packaging for just something this small. But whatever. Okay, so here is the size difference. 1.25, 0.95. Length is the same. The knob is the same. The color is different. This is a little darker. Well, I actually like that there's a color difference. That way, if you have both and they're just laying in your box or case, you can quickly decipher which one's which instead of pulling them out and comparing the size. You can just quickly pull the darker ones out of your bag if you know you want the smaller barrel. And the shape's a little different, but obviously for it to attach, it had to have the same base, so they obviously had to make it kind of, I don't know how to explain that, go in a little. Still have the left and right symbols on them as well. Again, I bought mine on Amazon. You can buy them on the website as well. Let me see if there was a price difference. On Amazon, the listed price is $29.99, so about 30 bucks, but looks like right now they're $24.73, so looks like they're on sale or the price has just dropped. Then it looks like on the Shark website they're $29.95, but they ship within 3 weeks, whereas Amazon, I feel like I got mine like Amazon shipping like right away. So if you're in a hurry and you want them right away, get them on Amazon, and if you buy them now, they're $5 off. I have a previous video on using the bigger ones. I'll link it up here. I do have fine, thin hair. The big ones gave a nice big bouncy, you know, look, lots of volume. Looked really pretty, but it didn't hold. And I don't have super long hair. I feel like maybe if I had longer hair that the curls would really hold. And then I also have the unboxing video I did when I had hair extensions, when I had a lot more hair. And I used it then and the curls lasted. It looked beautiful. It was amazing. But with my natural finer thin hair, I figured the smaller barrels might be worth a shot to holding the curls, get a tighter curl and hold the look a little bit more. But I will link that unboxing video if you have more thicker and longer hair and you want to check that out as well. My favorite thing about my Shark FlexStyle is the hairdryer. It is my favorite thing. I feel like it's not damaging. I like that there's different settings on the hairdryer and I just feel like it's really speedy. And when I had so much hair with my hair extensions, it really saved me a lot of time quickly drying, and I like that you can attach the round brush and just really smooth it out as well. So that's my favorite thing about the Shark FlexStyle, to be honest. I don't always use the curlers because it's hard for me to do because I'm not good with hair, so sometimes I just rather, you know, blow dry it with it and then just use a curling iron. But lately I'm trying to heal my hair, so I haven't even been styling my hair. I'll just like blow dry it nice and smooth. Anyways, we're gonna try out these barrels today. Washed my hair. The leave-in products that I've used, just so you know, the conditioner is by Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Moisture and Damage Defense Leave-In Treatment Conditioner. I put that on my ends. Then I went in with my favorite oil, the Verb Ghost Oil. This is amazing, great for fine, thin hair, it won't weigh it down. I use this on my ends as well. And then my heat protectant and kind of blowout spray is the Kenmore Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This is in the mini size because if I go to travel, I like to take this with me. They do have a bigger version, but this is Advanced Dry Thermal Protectant. It smells so good. It gives you heat protection and gives you a silky smooth blowout. The one thing to be mindful about this, it doesn't weigh my hair down at all, which is why I like it a lot, but it has such a fine mist that it will get on your bathroom floor or on your counter and it makes everything really slippy. So just be careful if you use this. It gets everywhere and is like slippy. Beware. But love these three together. So basically I'm just gonna do a rough dry with just the blow dryer. I usually flip my head upside down to get some more volume. And then I go in with the paddle brush, which I really love, to smooth everything out just a little bit more. And then I'll go in with the curlers. They don't always hold. I bet if I were to do them now with the dampness I have in my hair and the high heat, I feel like they would probably hold better. And someone suggested using texture spray on them once they're done, but I touch my hair a lot and I like the smooth silkiness, so I stay away from hairspray and texture spray just because I'm constantly touching my hair, and if I feel knots or grit, I just can't stand it. But that was a suggestion, so if you're finding it's not holding, try hairspray or texture spray. But I'm not going to do that today just because I know it will drive me crazy. Alright, so I still feel some dampness, but I got like the root dry, so my head's not like wet, but there's still some dampness. So I didn't do it a lot because my hair dries pretty quickly and it's pretty powerful. So I'm going to section my hair off. Now, if you haven't used the auto air wraps, they are a little bit of a learning curve. It took me a few times, but once you do it a few times, you get the hang of it. So basically, I think I'm just going to do 3 sections with the curlers. And then my other thought is for the one side of my head, I'm going to wrap the curls in velcro rollers and see if that helps. And the other side, I won't do that just so you can see what the actual effect is. And if you don't have like any kind of velcro rollers, you can see what it would do for your hair. But I'm just curious that if I put the curls up in the rollers and let them like cool while I do my makeup, if they'll last longer throughout the day. So the one side of my head, I will be putting these in. So let's start out with the left. So you're gonna pick left for left. So I'm gonna show you how to do one curl and then I'm gonna zoom through the rest. So again, I just section it into 3. I'm gonna take this. So make sure you have the air setting on at the highest so it can really wrap around the barrel, and then the heat setting's up to you. I don't like to use full blast heat because again, my hair is at a fragile state. I'm healing it. So I'm just probably gonna leave it at 2. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it like this. Once you turn it on, you're gonna let it catch the end. And then once it like wraps itself around, you're gonna slowly go up. And then you're gonna hold it here for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then you're gonna hit the cool button for 8 to 10 seconds to cool it. And then you're gonna turn it off and then you're gonna drop it. Okay, so it looks like with the smaller barrel that missed a piece. Did it miss a piece? What is this guy? Why is this guy straight? Looks like it missed it. Maybe I used too big of a section. All right, I'm gonna just do this piece on its own. So I guess with the smaller barrel, you might have to use smaller sections. That makes sense, but with the bigger barrel, I could get away with bigger sections. I'm gonna do them all and then put them in the curlers. Alright, I'm on the bottom. I'm going to do 3 big ones. I'm not very good at using these curlers, but we will try our best. It's going to be ridiculous probably, but hey, it's okay. My hair feels really soft. Looks a little crazy. Maybe the smaller ones would have been better, but I only have 3 big ones and 3 small ones. We'll make it work. All right, I'm gonna zoom through the rest. Oh, make sure you change the barrel to the right side. Whoopsies. Also, be careful when you change them. Make sure you're pulling from the top. This can be pretty warm and hot. So you can see the curl. The curls are really pretty. They're tight. They're beautiful. Don't touch them for the longest time. Okay, move to the top section. We do the same thing. 3 sections on each side. And again, this side I will use the velcro. If you're wondering about these rollers, it was a set from Dry Bar. They're really nice. The only thing is you only get 6. So if you want to do your whole head, you would have to get probably 2 boxes, and also they don't come with clips. They're really nice though. I am gonna try to do my makeup looking like a crazy person right now. And then I'll come back and I'll show you taking out the curlers and then showing you maybe fingering through here and giving you guys the final look. I will have to say the one thing that's nice about the bigger barrel compared to the small one is I feel like the bigger barrel you could take bigger sections and get bigger chunks. So that was the one thing I do like about it, but I feel like these curls are tighter and a little prettier and better for finer hair or shorter hair. Just keep that in mind. I'll be back in a little bit. All right guys, back, finished my makeup. Let's take these out. Pretty. Ow. What the hell? Ouch. Ow. Ow! What did I do wrong? Ow. I don't know what happened there, but that hurt. Oh, these ones are a lot tighter. That's why. So it looks like these have more volume if you use a roller. Let's give this side a shake. Great amount of volume. Really freaking pretty. Like, it's so pretty, you know? Just trying to shake them out without disrupting them. I'm gonna show you the back. Hopefully it doesn't look like chaos. Show you the back. How does it look? I love my spinny chair. So here you could probably hairspray, texture spray. They're really soft, really bouncy. It has a nice shine. It's a little more piecey, but again, I have fine, thin hair. I think it turned out really good. Do I think there's a difference between the sides? I mean, maybe a smidge more volume, and I'll let you guys know down in the comments once I post this, my updates, if this side held a little longer. But yeah, I think it looks really, really pretty. Like, that is a really pretty blowout. I wish I had longer hair. If you have fine, thin hair, it gives a lot of volume, which I think is really, really nice. Probably not gonna brush it. I'm gonna just let it be, and we'll see how the day goes. Again, I will leave an update down below about how long it lasted, if the roller side lasted longer. And then you can always check out that other video for the regular size ones. They don't last the longest, and I also like brushed it out. So I guess if I would just not touch it, you know, spray it a little, let it cool, you could probably get a lasting effect like this for a pretty long time. Don't know what they'll last to tomorrow, but I think they would last like all day, as long as you don't go out in extreme weather. I think they turned out pretty. I'm really happy. I got this smaller barrel. It was a good investment. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay up to date when I post next. I generally post 1 to 2 videos per week. I do all things beauty. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!